This is the index maintenance module and we are discussing about the low page density. When there is the low page density on the index leaf level, then it means there is the performance degradation. There are the drawbacks of for this low page density. One of the drawback is that when there is the low page density, it means there is the wastage of the space on this leaf level pages. And now more pages are required to store the same amount of data. uh, this this is the data which can come into the three pages, but if there is a low page density, so it may take the more pages to store the same amount of data. So this is the wastage of the pages on the disk. And so when these pages are read into the memory, the more buffer memory is required to store these low page density pages. And this is the wastage of the buffer as well. And also when these pages are read into the memory, so more CPU cycles are required, more input output is required to read these pages. This is the cost of the CPU is increased. And when the cost is increased, query cost is increased, then it means the query planner which consider the query optimizer when is executing the query plan, it may choose a different plan, because the query plan, one of the factor to choose the query plan is the cost of the input output. So the cost of input output is increased, so the CPU, this optimizer may choose a different plan in the when we execute the query in the start. Maybe that time the plan is different, and with the passage of time, when there is the more low page density, when more internal fragmentation happened, and when at that time when the same query will be executed, the query optimizer may choose a different plan, because it will see, oh, there is a more input output cost, so it will consider another plan, and this will affect the query performance. And when there is the this low page density, then it means that more transaction log, more uh, space required in the transaction log. So these are the drawbacks of the low page density, which is affecting the index scanning, index seek process.